started this YouTube channel about 6 years ago, and do you know what? I've never really introduced myself or the channel before, so about time I did. Hi, my name's Gloria and I am a wife, a mum to 2 grown-up children and a grandma to 2 littlies. And we also have 2 furry boys who are currently asleep somewhere on the back of a sofa. Now, before starting this channel, I'd actually started an online business back in 2016. My goal was simple, actually. It was just to earn extra income to bridge the gap between me wanting to retire from my 9 to 5 at age 60, and I had to wait 6 years at that point to draw my government pension. So I saw this as a way to just earn a little bit of extra income to ease that transition. Now, the company that I joined sold mostly makeup. They had a limited range of skincare, and a few years down the line they brought out a collagen product as well. Lovely products, very high quality, but a little bit on the pricey side. Now, when I was a teenager, I used to love playing with different eyeshadow looks, but my makeup routine was pretty limited, actually. Eyeshadow, mascara, heather shimmer lipstick from Rimmel, remember that? And maybe a bit of blusher, but that was about it, really. I could never find products that really suited my skin tone or type, so it was a little bit limited. So when I joined this company and I got my starter kit, it was exciting. There was some lovely things in there, but it was also a bit daunting. And also we promoted the products online. It was a big learning curve, and I still remember the first time I went live on Facebook, I was petrified. Anyway, a few years later, I decided to also post videos on YouTube. So you can look back at some of my early ones. Anyway, over the years, my makeup skills improved. My skin definitely improved. But that company was getting a little bit expensive and more difficult to sell, to be perfectly honest with you. And then in January of 2024, there was something new coming to the UK. New to the UK, but it was a company that was actually, at the time, 73 years old. So it had been around the block. That company was Pharmacy. And I didn't get involved straight away, but somebody I knew had started with this company, and I thought, well, I'll try. It's supposed to be affordable luxury. Wasn't quite sure. I was a bit sceptical, but I tried the eye cream and a mascara. Fell in love with them. The eye cream was as good, if not better, than the one I'd been using before, and it was only half the price, so it makes sense to just look a little bit deeper. So I tried more of the skincare and absolutely loved it. They've got so many, they've got different ranges of skincare for different ages, different skin types, and I love it. And I realised that this company had incredible quality, for one thing. They were very affordable prices, and they had a product range that was quite wide. They had so many different products. They'd been going for a long time, so a lot of experience. And I jumped in. Now, I love the makeup. I love doing the makeup, wearing it. I love the skincare. And I've been sharing about those products and giving my experience of them to help others find Pharmacy and find these fantastic products. I've been doing that on social media. But what's different between other social platforms and YouTube is that YouTube is more like a library, whereas when you do a post on the other platforms, it just kind of disappears. Whereas with YouTube, it stays and it's easy to find. So I'm creating a kind of library of a different product. Gosh, there are 500 different products at the moment, so there's no way I'm going to get through them all, I'm sure, but I'll give it a go. Anyway, I'm organising them into playlists So have a look at those. Welcome to the channel. Please do subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.